Today we're taking the SANDMARC camera app out for a real-world hands-on in San Diego. We're going to take a look at how this interface pairs with our SANDMARC lenses, and more importantly, how to take control of your manual settings to get a truly great image. One of the biggest advantages of using our app is seamless ecosystem integration. When you mount a lens, the native camera app doesn't always know how to handle it correctly. With our app, you have the dedicated SANDMARC lens selector right below the viewfinder. After selecting the lens, your phone will automatically pick the correct iPhone lens and guide you where to mount it. Using a SANDMARC case, we'll screw the lens onto our mount. To keep your workflow fast while you're shooting on the move, you can tap the star icon to favorite the gear you own. From there, you just press, hold, slide to your lens, and release. When you're ready for more creative freedom, the SANDMARC app gives you options for full manual control. Using the manual control button to the right of the shutter, you can tap to cycle through your settings, or press and hold to jump straight to the exact control you need. Swiping up or down on the slider dials in your value, and if you need to reset to default, just double tap the slider or tap the on-screen indicator. To make sure you're getting the perfect image before you take a shot, you can go into image settings to enable your grid, leveler, and focus peaking tools. Combine that with a live luma histogram, an RGB histogram, or false color, and you have professional grade monitoring tools to perfectly judge your overall exposure right in the field. Out here on the beach, we're keeping our ISO low and our shutter speed high. Then using our zebra warnings, we can see that our image is not overexposed. Next, we'll adjust the white balance for a warmer look. That was a day out with the SANDMARC camera app. Having intentional, creative control over your images, paired with high-quality lenses, unlocks professional-grade manual tools that fit right in your pocket. Download the SANDMARC camera app today, pair it with your favorite lens, and start creating. Subscribe for more creative tips, lens demos, and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.